got a couple cracks on it. Oh well, put the boy on the retina. People show and tell. Something spicy in my drink. Do my dance like Johnny. Where's that? She make a boy act dumb. She know she hot. She know she pretty. She's so wet. The steam is so dizzy. I feel I feel petty. I feel gross. I feel messy. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, I just be frontin'. Solid dress. On God, I'm just tryna look my best. But teen tainted, skin looking, Appalachian, head bristle, and I probably get a bit. All I'm saying is, I just wanna be myself a little better. I'm a pretty thing, I'ma show out and tell. Sometimes I feel like that, can't get out of bed when I'm by myself. Blue devil coping man, now I pick this in game. Now he don't know how to act, now he want like he the main. Oh no boy, now you don't change, the silence was found in the app. Ooh, I got a right to feel cute, yeah. Oh girls be saying I glow up, you got a right to be you, hey. Cameras, I do the most now, I ain't phenomenal. And you are from a old life, I've been on top of my game. While you say suck it, old time. I just wanna be myself a little better. I'm a pretty thing, I'ma show out and tell them.
Alright guys, at this stage we have cut every single thing up. The back pants, front pants, the front bodice, that's the shirt. Also gone ahead to iron the stay, and then the back, the sleeve. Okay, finally pockets that will be going into the pants. So every single thing is all ready. Also, we've cut the collar as well. You've seen that one, cutting it. Let's talk about how to join it. First of all, you know the sleeve now, easy. Just join it side seam to side seam and just prep it down. You can also fold this part, fold it in, right, and join it side seam to side seam. Just have that one ready to go. Do the same for the second sleeve. Okay, let's talk about all the joining. For this one, we're going to be joining the front bodice side seam to side seam as well. This side seam joining to the other side seam, that's front and back together. Okay, and then the collar stand, you just want to fold it. What I'm going to do is fold half an inch first and then fold it 1 inch inwards. Okay, at the end of the day, this 1.5 inch should be folded inwards this way, right, because that's where the button and the button stand will be. And then the pants, let's talk about joining the pants. For the joining of the pants, you join the back crotch, the front crotch. Once it's together, you start joining the inseam. You open it up because it will be together. You open up this way, place this inseam of the front on the back, and then join it along the inseam. Finally, join along the sides, and then we'll come and put our elastic at the top. So it's very easy. We'll be done now. Let's start.
I was a toddler, wish I was a bother. I ain't even bother. All my other friends, wish I was a toddler, wish I was a bother. I ain't even bother. All my other friends, wish I was a toddler, wish I was a bother. I ain't even bother. All my other friends. Hey, I think you're pretty. Bone got a couple cracks on it. Oh well, baby boy on the retina. People show and tell. Something spicy in my drink. Do my dance like Channing Tag with a way I stare. She make a boy act dumb. She know she hot. She know she pretty. She's self-aware. This team is so dizzy. I feel I feel petty. I feel gross. I feel messy. Oh my god. Oh no no. Okay, I just be frontin', it's all a jest. On God, I'm just tryna look my best. Teen tainted, skin looking, appellation, head frizzle, and I probably get a bit on the saying this. No. I just wanna be myself a little better. No. I'm a pretty thing, I'm a show out in town. Sometimes I feel like that, can't get out of bed when I'm all by myself. Blue devil coping man, now I pick this game. Now he don't know how to act, now he want like he the main. Oh no boy, now you don't change, the silence was found in the app. Ooh, I got a right to feel cute, yeah. Oh girls be saying I glow up, you got a right to be you, hey. Cameras, I do the most now, I ain't phenomenal. And you are from a old life, I've been on top of my game. When you say suck it, old time. No. I just wanna be myself a little better. No. I'm a pretty thing, I'm a show out in town.
Alright guys, so now we have done this collar, okay, ironed it neatly on the inside. What we're going to do next is to put the collar stand. Now if you look closely at the collar stand, the wider part is what is going to be at the bottom, and the narrower part, the shorter one, is at the top. So I have placed it as though I'm assembling it normal. What I'm going to then do, first of all, get your midpoints. Okay, get your midpoint so that will be like a guide for attaching it.
Wish I was a bachelor, I ain't even bother. All my other friends, I could wish I was a toddler. Wish I was a bachelor, I ain't even bother. All my other friends.
Now after the midpoint, we are then going to use that as a mark to join up these points together. So I'm going to place it this way here, making sure that all the midpoints meet right there, and this one will come this way. Okay, so I'll pin them all together and begin sewing it up. So I'll start my sewing from here, sew here, all the way to the other parts. Okay.
Wish I was a toddler, wish I was a bachelor, I ain't even bother. All my other friends, I could wish I was a toddler.
So this is what I'll be having. I can then trim. Once I trim, I turn it this way. Okay, just turn it that way and we are good to go. So let me trim first. Chop off the corner. Here is the collar already ironed. We're going to then go back to matching it up, notching that midpoint, because we then want to sandwich this top into the collar. Okay, I hope you get the gist. So let's do that real quickly. You first attach one of it to this leg first before you use the other one to fold it.
Got a couple cracks on it. Oh well, baby boy on the retina. People show and tell. Something spicy in my drink. Do my dance like Channing Tag with a way I stare. She make a boy act dumb. She know she hot. She know she pretty. She's self-aware. This team is so dizzy. I feel petty. I feel gross, I feel messy. Oh my god, oh no, no. Okay, I just be frontin'.
Alright guys, so after we have sewn up that collar, all we'll do now is place this on it, fold it up, right? You're going to be stitching on this side so that it catches this one as well, okay? That's what we want to do now.
It's all a jest. On God, I'm just tryna look my best. Team tainted, skin looking, appellation, head bristle, ay, and I probably get a bit on the saying this. I know, no. I just wanna be myself a little better.
After we've sewn in the collar and it's looking good, looking ready to go, the next thing is to put in our sleeve. For the sleeve already, we've put this feather here to give it that pretty look. So I will just get the sleeve and fix it into the armhole technically. Just sew it round, just sew it close. After doing that, hem the bottom of the shirt and then you are actually done. You're not done per se, you still need to go and put your button, the button stand and all of that, but you're done with the whole sewing of the top. So let me just pin round and then sew this.
I'm a pretty thing, I'm a show out in town. Sometimes I feel like that, can't get out of bed when I'm all by myself. Blue devil coping man, now I pick this game. Now he don't know how to act, now he was like he the main. Oh no boy, now you don't change, the silence was found in the app. Ooh, I got it right, I feel cute, yeah. Oh girls be saying I glow